Hello students, welcome online classes. In previous period, we also discussed about in this lesson civil disobedience movement as the first point that round table conference and first round table conference and Gandhi Irvin Pact. Now in this period we are going to learn as the point of second second round table conference, Pune Pact, third round table conference and end of the civil disobedience movement. So first, why did the first round table conference was not successful? Because in this first round table conference, no one can any members of Indian National Congress. So this conference was unsuccessful because without participation of Indian National Congress member, so this conference has a meaningless. And Gandhi Union Pact, then next between the Mahatma Gandhi and the British Prime Minister expressed the participation of Indian National Congress as the according to this. And according to this act, British government assured the responsible government would be added in the proposed Constitution of India. Now second round table conference. In 1931, the second round table conference was organized. In the first round table conference, 1930 and second 1931. Mahatma Gandhi attended this conference as a representative of the Indian National Congress. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi was already present the second round table conference along with the Indian National Congress, representatives of various castes and communities, political parties, as well as Prince State were also invited. In Indian National Congress, participate as well as other parties of our India. Then representatives, caste and communities, political parties and Prince State also invited in the second round table conference. The government put forth the issues of the memories in the round table conference. In this conference, that discussed as the issues of minorities. The issues of minorities to put forth in the second round table conference. There were differences regarding these issues and prospective federal constitution. That the main of topic to discuss in this issues of the minorities and second issues and regarding the nature of prospective federal constitution. Gandhiji tried to bring unanimity in the opinion but was unsuccessful. Gandhiji was discussed as the main point as this unanimity that of the following. But Mahatma Gandhiji was very disappointed due to and he came to India. Then next point, Pune Pact. Dr. Baba Ambedkar represented the Dalit in this round table conference. He demanded the separate electorates for the Dalit. After the second round table conference, the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald declared the communal awards. Yes. Now Pune Pact. This Pune Pact has between the Dr. Baba Ambedkar and the Mahatma Gandhi because that second round table conference, Dr. Ambedkar was demanded separate electorates for the Dalit. But Mahatma Gandhiji was not accepted this demand. And they went on, Mahatma Gandhiji went on the fast unto death at Ervada jail because he was that time in the jail of Ervada. So he went to unto death at Ervada. And these leaders of Indian National Congress requested Dr. Ambedkar to reconsider the demand for the separate electorates. So keeping in this mind, the interest of the nation of Dr. Ambedkar was ready to accept it, and Dr. Ambedkar was accepting this because the need of our nation at that time, Mahatma Gandhi ji, and he was keeping in the mind the interest of the nation. Dr. Ambedkar was ready to accept this request, and he was going to Eroda jail with meet to Mahatma Gandhi ji in 1932. And they signed, means both of these two leaders, great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Ambedkar was signed the famous Pune Pact. According to this Pune Pact, to separate electorates for Dalit was cancelled in this pact. That because the Prime Minister of England, Ramsay MacDonald, he was also declared as the communal awards for giving the separate electoral roads for the Dalit. But in this act, the separate of electorates for the Dalit, this demand has cancelled, and a provision for the reserve seat was made. After this separate electorates, this demand has cancelled and a provision for the reserve seats was made. Now third point is the third round table conference. This table conference was also unsuccessful because this round table conference has organized 1932, and this National Congress boycotted the conference because as the Prime Minister of Ramsay MacDonald to leading the all the conference, so Indian National Congress has boycotted in this round table conference, and that proved to be all this round table conference is a vain as a meaningless. At that last point in this chapter, that second phase of civil disobedience movement, because Gandhiji returned to India from the second round table conference, and he was detected to mind and he was to attention as a civil disobedience movement. But Mahatma Gandhiji was immediately arrested. And then, as like of this, when he was returned and he was arrested, and hence there was discontent among the people. Government responded to this movement by using inhuman oppressive method. There was also struggling as a civic rights everywhere. There are also restrictions to the newspaper, national of the newspapers. Institutions were as declared illegal. Then nation of the newspapers and literature was as restricted to rules to following by of the government. And finally, in 1934, Mahatma Gandhi withdrew this movement, civil disobedience movement. It has the historic phase of civil disobedience movement came to an end, and that is the last portion of this civil disobedience movement. Next period we will discuss about the question and answer. So thank you very much.